Buddy, get the f out of here with all that.
Dude, ew, dude. Bro. You nasty bro licked my hand. You are so gross, bro.
That was a good punch.
That was a bad punch.
Cut the drive shaft at some point? No, I don't want to cut it. I'm debating.
What were you doing under there?
Cutting the exhaust.
Oh my god, oh!
Ow. Are you gonna get this pipe cut?
No! I had a piece of metal enter my hand. I hurt it. I have to cut it from the top now. It's like I can't get any in there anymore. What are you f***ing laughing at, you fat?
Get the f out of here with that camera, you stupid whore. Buddy, get the f out of my face.
We're here with Noah. Gonna change this little saw blade out.
I can't get back in the hole!
There shouldn't be a hole, technically.
Pretty sure Jade is probably you about that a lot.
That was f***ed up.
Alright, pull her on out. Then you gotta
Up. You pull something out.
How about you pull yourself out from under this vehicle? Bro, do you see? Hold on. Get up. Get out. I just want to show what this jack looks like real quick. Hold on. No. Dude said let me... Nah. No way.
It's called redneck ingenuity, motherfucker. Yeah, we got a jack on the difference. That'll be alright. Oh, your brother's got a cookie.
Fucking A, mate. It's true doing DOS too. You gotta seal one side off. It's two pipes. In order to go to one, you need to seal the other one off with the weld.
Great.
I can't be the one doing everything around here.
Pull it out. Christ.
My dog. Hey, don't throw that away. We could probably recycle that.
Oh, yeah, for me.
I get the cat money though.
Spit a bar.
You don't.
Spit a bar.
Buddy, that's a lot of money.
God, it's mine.
Spit a bar.
No.
Say something memorable, like Dracula flow.
What's up?
She dropped that ass on me from an egregious angle. They thought I was Stephen Waller.
Buddy, get the f out of my face. I need a dab.
Spit a rhyme. Buddy, right now, say a bar.
Anal sex. I'll f with that.
All right, okay. Let him talk. Keep it going.
Wet.
You get none of that. Okay. Let him cook.
You're fat.
Alright, I'm out. This dull ass blade won't do shit.
You're good. Keep going, buddy.
The blade is dull.
It's not. You're good.
I have neighbors that yelling.
Shut up. I really need a new blade. This one's so f***ed up. Buddy, you're killing me with this lighting. You fucking piece of shit. Ah! Buddy, you're killing me with the light, honestly.
You said that's good lighting.
There we go, I'm in. I gotta go on the other side, I think. It's definitely a cut in half drive shaft. I've ever seen. Buddy, that's my ear.
Buddy, we're getting what the people need. The angles. Are you gonna do something or just
I don't know if I'm gonna
get
do
yourself out of breath?
Where's the hammer? Oh, you. I'm so upset. That's so fucking gross. That's so grody.
Buddy, what are you doing, dog?
I was hoping it would just split at the cut.
Dude. Why would you leave the car like this?
Guess that blade has to have some life left to it, huh?
It definitely does. We're all out.
Stay inside, Kyler. You're gonna
Don't touch my bike.
I will break your bike. I need another blade. I just f***ed that one up so bad.
You're good. You still got some on there.
Doing this today. Sick of working on this, but I'm getting this goddamn engine out before we go home.
Doubt it. The second I skedaddle is the second you think about skedaddling, which I'm getting ready to skedaddle.
Where do you put the blades?
Day 2, back in the shit show. You know, we ain't getting nothing done today. Stay tuned for part 3 where the engine may be ready to be taken out. Stay tuned for episode 60 when we decide to just buy a driving version of this vehicle.
Shut the f up, bro. That might happen.
What a fucking tool chest right there for you.
This is Jordan's.
Go crazy, little bro.
None of this is gonna work either. This is fucked. This fucking retard really just didn't left me here alone to take a car apart. Like, what an asshole.
Yeah, your car part.
There we go, move. Get the fuck out of my face, bro. You're so annoying with it. The worst cameraman.
POV, bro. It's so they know what you're looking at.
There we go. Buddy, I'm gonna swing.
We're about an hour in. Got like 8 bolts off.
Wow, we're less than an hour in. Shut up.
Back to the drawer.
Where did this retard put the extension?
Hell yeah, we got the extendo now. At least the young Padawan knows about leverage. It's alright, off camera, I totally told him to do that.
Don't want to touch that bolt, it's hot. Two dubs. No, buddy, I'm not in the mood. Be on camera. Buddy, learn to respect the bitch.
I was admiring how you matched your socks with your undies, buddy.
My shoes match my undies too. I hate that Jordan fucking thing.
Yeah. Now he can't do all the work.
Can you please take the camera off me, bro? I'm getting annoyed as shit.
Alright, sorry. Buddy, that's my water. Excuse you?
Yeah, my bad.
What
dude.
the f?
My finger hurts.
Well, why is that my water's concern?
I didn't know it was your water. Buddy, seriously, if you don't turn the camera off, I'm just gonna
Don't say it, buddy. I'm getting what the people want to see.
Nobody wants to see this. You're getting me pissed the off. You're acting like Jace.
Calm down a little.
Bro, stop.
Bro, calm down.
Irritated as right now. I want this piece of shit out of this goddamn car.
What, the engine?
No.
Well, whatever you were thinking of probably does need to get out of the car still, so. This thing's one drive shaft away from being all terrain. Or some sort of terrain, buddy. Garage terrain.
Motherfucker's gonna turn into a cube.
As soon as you heard that you could get a running one for $3K, it started bouncing.
No, I knew I could, dude. I just don't have $3K. I had $400.
Technically, DoorDash had it.
No, I sold a skin for this. Buddy, seriously, please stop.
I'm getting the car in the view, buddy.
You have no respect for my wishes, dude. Just stop for it. Ruining my whole mood 1 second at a time. Bro, seriously, stop.
Calm down, buddy.
No, I'm getting pissed. I don't want to be on camera right now.
You're not on camera.
Bro, I don't want anything on camera. Just stop. You're being a douche.
All day.
I am
Do an ollie. Do an ollie. Do an ollie.